Hello students, continue tayo for number 5. So, integration by substitution pa din, no? So, once again, the problems were taken from the Feliciano and Oy books, ha? Differential and Integral Calculus. So, yung book ko, I was able to buy this one when I was in college. I think second year sa National Bookstore. Anyway, I think available pa man din. Kasi yung ibang students, alam ko, doon din sila bumili. I don't know lang kung available ba to sa Shopee. Baka kasi hindi original. Yan. Sige. So that's 2x plus 3, x squared, 3x plus 4. Again, since the problems are taken from the integration by substitution, obviously, we will use a substitution dito, no? So it's either yung numerator or yung denominator. However, I think it's obvious that we will use the denominator, no? Kasi notice, the denominator is x squared plus 3x. So, if we let u to be x squared plus 3x, then du should be 2x plus 3. Okay? So, ang goal lang natin is to make sure that the derivative of u should be in the function din. Otherwise, medyo mahirap. For example, if itong u, let's say u is 2x plus 3, then ano yung derivative? Du should be 2. Medyo, ano yung gagawin natin dito sa x squared plus 3? So, hindi na pwede. So, I think dito sa problem na to, obvious naman na we let u equal to x squared plus 3. We have du, then be equal to, again, the derivative, no? Differential calculus. I'm sure, since integral na kayo, I'm sure alam nyo na yung mga different differentiation equation, ha? So this will become 2x plus 3, and then ang derivative of a constant will be equal to 0. Sige, and then notice, papalitan natin to. This will become, ito will become u, and then notice 2x plus, kalimutan ko yung dx. Sorry. Dx. Notice 2x plus 3 dx. So ito, this will become, itong whole numerator will become du. So, palitan ko na lang yan, and then du. Okay? And then notice, di ba? This is actually for the, I think, third equation. Derivative of 1 over u is actually equal to ln u plus c. Okay? So, our answer here, sorry, our answer should be ln u, ln u plus c. Okay? So, ln u plus c. However, huwag natin kalimutan, i-substitute natin ulit yung actual value of u. Sige. So, this will become, so, ang original value ng u is ito. So, I think agree naman tayo dito. Oops. Sorry. Yan. Ay. Kalimutan yung plus c. Yan. Sige. So, check na natin kung tama ba yung check na natin sa answer key. So, I think wala namang problema. Tama naman. Tama. Sige. So, next problem tayo. Continue tayo sa problem number 6.